In a groundbreaking move, AT&T introduces the latest Samsung Galaxy S24 series, a technological marvel that goes beyond being a mere communication tool. Powered by AT&T and featuring Galaxy AI, this series promises to be a life booster with innovative features like Circle to Search with Google and Live Translate. Here are the key takeaways. Exclusive deals for everyone. New and existing customers can receive the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus at no cost with a Galaxy phone trade-in, regardless of the phone's year or condition. Double the storage is offered for pre-orders placed until January 30th, providing users with enhanced capacity. Revolutionizing connectivity. The S24 series, equipped with Galaxy AI, redefines the mobile technology experience, serving as a personal assistant, professional camera, and high-performance gaming console. New features include Live Translate for real-time language translation, Circle to Search with Google for instant information retrieval, and Generative Edit for enhancing photos seamlessly. Enhancements for an epic experience. Nightography zoom ensures clear content capture in low light or from a distance. Unparalleled gaming performance with Samsung Galaxy's most powerful processor yet, allowing users to set graphics to high on their favorite games. AT&T experience guaranteed. AT&T stands behind its network as America's most reliable 5G network, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is 5G compatible. Unlimited Your Way registered trademark offers flexibility with plans tailored to individual needs, featuring unlimited data, AT&T 5G access, and increased hotspot data. International travelers benefit from simple and cost-effective solutions with the AT&T International Day Pass. Additional offers for various audiences. AT&T business customers can enjoy special pre-order pricing until January 30th, making the latest S24 series devices accessible with a 2-year service commitment. Special appreciation discounts for military, veterans, teachers, nurses, physicians, physician assistants, and their families. An enticing offer includes a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G for less than $4 per month, providing a significant savings opportunity. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, coupled with AT&T's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction, promises a transformative mobile experience. Whether you are an existing customer, a business professional, or someone seeking cutting-edge technology, the S24 series offers unparalleled features and exclusive deals, making it a game changer in the world of smartphones.